Hola mga kagudyaws, Nathan here and welcome back to another episode of Hashtag Share Ko Lang. And for today's video, this video is going to be a little different from what you normally watch on this channel. This is going to be an informative one which will talk about the positive and negative impact of information and communications technology, or commonly known as ICT. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, we know that ICT has been part of our daily lives, whether it may be sa trabaho, sa school, or kahit sa normal na araw-araw nating buhay. It also connects us from people na hindi natin kasama physically. But before we proceed with our main topic, alamin muna natin kung ano nga ba talaga ang ICT. So, sabi dito sa na-search ko online, ICT, or Information and Communications Technology, which I have mentioned earlier, is infrastructure and components that enable modern computing. Among the goals of ICT technologies, tools and systems is to improve the way humans create, process, and share data or information with each other. Another is to help them improve their abilities in numerous areas including business, education, medicine, real-world problem solving, and even leisure activities related to sports, music, and movies. So ngayon na alam na natin kung ano nga ba talaga ang ICT, let us now proceed sa main topic natin, which is knowing the positive and negative impacts of ICT. Unahin muna natin ang negative. So first on our list is cyberbullying and online harassment. Nako, ito yung pinaka-common na nagiging sanhi ng anxiety and depression among people who experience this. Dati kasi nung hindi pa uso yung internet and devices like phones and laptops or personal computers, hindi pa ganun kalala yung pambubuli na ginagawa ng isang tao laban sa isang tao. Kasi ang bullying before, nangyayari lang yan kapag halimbawa, nakita ka ng tao physically, nakita ka niya face to face. Unlike ngayon, dahil nga online, pwede kang i-post, pwede kang ipahiya, pwede kang i-bully dahil sa ginawa mo or dahil sa may ayaw sila tungkol sa'yo, which is mahirap takasan sa panahon ngayon, lalo na ang internet ay sobrang laganap na. Next on our list is addiction and social isolation. Kadalasan nagiging addicted ang isang tao sa online games, which leads to procrastination. At dahil sa addiction sa online games, nagkakaroon sila or nakukulangan na sila sa social interaction. Kaya nagkakaroon sila ng social anxiety. Takot silang humarap sa tao. Hindi naman sa takot. Nahihiyang humarap sa tao dahil busy sila sa online games. Ang nakakausap lang nila, yung mga nakakalaro nila. Kaya pag nakihalubilo sila sa ibang tao, medyo nangangapa sila. So that is second negative impact of ICT sa lives ng tao. And last but not the least on the negative impacts of ICT is misinformation and fake news. So dahil nga online na kadalasan nangyayari lahat, dito na nanggagaling yung mga informations, yung mga balita, articles, madali nitong palitan or pekein, and that would lead to confusion and misinformation among people. So we're now done with the examples of negative impacts of ICT. Ngayon na alam na natin ang mga yon. Let's now go to positive impact of it, kung saan tayo ay magbe-benefit. So number 1 on our list is global connectivity and communication. So since the rise of ICT, we are able to connect from any part of the world to receive or deliver information from our origin to theirs and vice versa. Lalong-lalo na communication. Napakahalaga nito, lalo na kung meron tayong loved ones who's working overseas. Mas madaliing makipag-usap ngayon, unlike before, kailangan mo pang magsulat ng letter, ipadala sa post office, tapos kiklaim nila sa post office, which will consume a lot of time at masyadong ma-effort yun. So, dahil sa ICT, dahil sa Information and Communication Technologies, mas napadali na ang pakikipag-usap at pakikipag-ugnayan sa mga mahal natin sa buhay na malayo sa atin. Ganon din sa trabaho. Mas napapadali ito at maging sa pag-aaral. Second on our list is access to information and education. Everything that we wish to know is available online. Lalo na nung na-invento ang Artificial Intelligence or AI, mas napadali na ang pangangalap ng information about a certain thing, especially sa studies. Yun nga lang, bad side of it, we can't rely on it all the time. Because we don't know if the information being served to us by AI is factual. And last, but certainly not the least, on the positive impact of ICT is economic opportunities and innovation. So, for this one, I searched it online at ang sabi nila, it creates significant economic opportunities and fosters innovation across various sectors, leading to increased productivity, job creation, and economic growth. ICT enables businesses to become more competitive, facilitates faster information diffusion, and improves efficiency, ultimately driving economic development. For innovation naman, dahil nga sa information and communication technologies, mas napadali na ang pagpapabago o pag-i-improve ng mga bagay dahil mas marami na tayong source, mas marami tayong pinagkukunan ng information dahil available na ito online. And that ends our video for today. I hope you've learned something from this video. Thank you for spending your time with me, and I hope to see you soon on our next videos. Thank you. Oh, and before I forget, let me remind you, stay safe online. Bye.